Unveiling the power of artificial intelligence, transforming our world. Introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the revolution that's rewriting the rules of our reality, artificial intelligence. Today, we're delving into a world where algorithms dream, robots rule factories, and your voice is a command. Buckle up for a mind-bending exploration. In the next few minutes, you'll witness how machines are mimicking our minds, how data is the new gold, and how AI's potential is limited only by imagination. Imagine cars that drive themselves through chaos, computers that paint masterpieces, and solutions to problems we never knew existed. But as AI propels us into uncharted territory, it raises ethical dilemmas that demand our attention. So, whether you're a tech aficionado or just AI curious, get ready to glimpse the future that's barreling towards us. This isn't science fiction, this is the future we're living. Welcome to the AI evolution. And listen for the link of PowerPoint format of this presentation will be told somewhere in this presentation. Let's dive in. Slide 2, Overview. Definition of Artificial Intelligence (AI). Importance of AI in modern society. Brief outline of the presentation. Definition of Artificial Intelligence (AI). Unleashing machines with the brilliance to learn, adapt, and outthink, crafting a world where technology mirrors the marvels of human thought. Importance of AI in modern society. Picture this: a world where machines decode complexities, cars navigate chaos, and creativity knows no bounds. This is the realm of artificial intelligence (AI), where imagination meets innovation. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the heartbeat of modern society. It fuels medical breakthroughs, drives economic growth, and shapes personalized experiences. It's the wizardry behind recommendations that just get you, and the genius behind self-learning algorithms. But as AI paints a future of limitless potential, it also sketches ethical puzzles and redefines job landscapes. It's a double-edged sword we must wield wisely. In this grand theater of possibilities, AI isn't just a supporting act, it's the star. So, grab your front row seat, because the AI revolution is here, and it's a show you won't want to miss. Slide 3, Historical Evolution of AI. AI's journey is a tale of ambition, breakthroughs, and setbacks. It began with lofty dreams during the Dartmouth Workshop in 1956, where the term, artificial intelligence, was first coined. Early pioneers aimed to replicate human thinking in machines. However, these dreams faced setbacks during AI winters, periods of limited progress. Yet, like a phoenix, AI rose again with milestones such as chess-playing computers and language processing breakthroughs. Recent years have seen exponential growth, thanks to deep learning and neural networks. Now, AI isn't just a dream, it's a tangible force transforming how we live, work, and interact. Slide 4, Types of AI. Narrow AI, weak AI. General AI, strong AI. Superintelligent AI. Narrow AI, weak AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, excels in specific tasks. It's like a brilliant specialist in a single field. Think of virtual assistants, chatbots, and language translators. They perform admirably within their domain, yet lack broader understanding or consciousness. Narrow AI doesn't possess human-like cognition but can mimic human-like responses. While it's not the all-knowing AI of science fiction, it's the AI that's already transforming our world through its targeted expertise. General AI, strong AI. Imagine AI with a mind as versatile as yours. That's general AI, also known as strong AI. It's the AI of science fiction dreams, capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across a spectrum of tasks. This AI isn't limited to single skills, it's a polymath. It's the AI that can discuss art, solve equations, and navigate emotions. While it's a thrilling concept, we're not quite there yet. General AI remains a beacon on the horizon, guiding our quest to create technology that mirrors human cognition. Superintelligent AI. Enter the realm of superintelligent AI, where machines transcend mere cognition to rival the brightest human minds. Picture an AI that doesn't just understand and learn, it innovates, strategizes, and solves problems beyond our grasp. While the concept is exhilarating, it's also laden with responsibility. Superintelligent AI opens doors to unprecedented progress, but it requires careful navigation to ensure that its power aligns with human values. In this realm of boundless potential, the future beckons, promising possibilities that once seemed confined to the realm of science fiction. Slide 5. AI applications in everyday life. Pause for a moment and consider. AI is seamlessly woven into your daily existence. It's in the recommendations that make online shopping a delight, the navigation systems that steer you through traffic, and the virtual assistants that answer your queries with a touch of magic. But AI doesn't stop there. It's in the medical diagnoses that catch diseases early, the language translators that bridge global conversations, and the content suggestions that keep you hooked. It's the silent genius that enhances your world, one task at a time. From healthcare to entertainment, AI isn't just a tool, it's your invisible companion, propelling the mundane into the realm of remarkable. In this age of AI, the extraordinary is your everyday. Slide 6. AI in business and industry. In the bustling landscape of business and industry, AI emerges as the catalyst for transformation. It powers factories with robotic precision, optimizes supply chains with predictive insights, and refines customer experiences with personalization that feels like magic. Manufacturing, finance, customer service, no sector remains untouched. AI doesn't just automate, it elevates. It's the cog in the wheel that turns routine into innovation, paving the way for streamlined operations, data-driven decisions, and a future where efficiency knows no bounds. But amidst the marvels, questions arise. What about the workforce? How do we ensure fairness in algorithms? As AI redraws the business landscape, it beckons us to navigate the realms of progress and ethics hand in hand. AI isn't just a tool, it's the architect of an evolved future where human ingenuity and machine precision collaborate to build a world that thrives on possibility. Welcome to the AI-powered era of endless innovation. Slide 7. Ethical considerations. In the realm of artificial intelligence, power comes hand in hand with responsibility. As AI influences decisions that shape lives, it poses ethical questions that demand our attention. Bias in algorithms, data privacy, job displacement, these are just a few of the challenges that AI introduces. How do we ensure fairness when algorithms learn from human data? How do we balance convenience with personal privacy in an increasingly connected world? AI's potential is vast, but so are its consequences. It's a call to infuse innovation with ethics, to design algorithms that respect diversity, and to foster dialogue on how we want AI to shape our future. As we harness AI's potential, we embark on a journey where innovation and integrity must walk in step. It's not just about what AI can do, it's about what we should do with AI. The future is in our hands, and the ethical compass we navigate by is crucial. Slide 8. AI and creativity. When minds meet machines, creativity takes on a new dimension. Artificial intelligence isn't just about calculations, it's also about crafting art, composing music, and birthing ideas that stretch the boundaries of the imaginable. AI-generated masterpieces. Galleries, and compositions that resonate with human emotion flow from algorithms. It's not about replacing the artist, it's about collaborating with a new kind of muse, one that understands patterns, experiments fearlessly, and unveils perspectives hidden in data. AI isn't stifling creativity, it's amplifying it. It's a tool that empowers artists, writers, and creators to venture into uncharted territories, co-creating a future where the line between human ingenuity and machine brilliance blurs in strokes of innovation. Slide 9. Future possibilities of AI. Buckle up for a journey into the uncharted realms of tomorrow, powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine AI-augmented humans exploring the cosmos, unraveling mysteries hidden in data, and diagnosing diseases at the speed of thought. Technological singularity beckons, a future where AI evolves beyond human comprehension, unlocking solutions to problems we can't fathom today. From redefining industries to revolutionizing research, AI's potential is a canvas of endless innovation. As AI scales new heights, our journey into the future promises discoveries that once seemed confined to the realm of dreams. Brace yourself for a future where the unimaginable becomes reality, guided by the hand of AI. Slide 10. Challenges and opportunities. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, challenges and opportunities dance in a delicate balance. AI's potential to automate jobs sparks concerns about workforce displacement, yet it's also the gateway to upskilling for a more technologically advanced world. Ethical dilemmas cast shadows, yet they propel us to create AI that's fair, transparent, and unbiased. Privacy concerns arise, yet they inspire us to design algorithms that respect personal boundaries while delivering seamless experiences. As AI scripts the future, it's a reminder that every challenge carries within it an opportunity. It's an invitation to weave innovation with empathy, to harness AI's power for the betterment of humanity, and to shape a future that thrives on the harmony of advancement and ethical responsibility. Slide 11. The road ahead. On this path into the future, AI's roadmap is paved with collaboration. Governments, industries, and academia must join forces to steer AI's direction responsibly. As we navigate uncharted territory, it's vital to ensure that AI's potential aligns with human values and societal well-being. Continuous research and development stand as guiding stars, lighting the way towards innovation that benefits all. The role of AI isn't just in technological breakthroughs, it's in shaping an inclusive, equitable, and responsible tomorrow. In this shared odyssey, the road ahead is not just about where AI takes us, it's about the journey we craft together, where humans and machines harmonize to script a future that's not only smart but wise. Slide 12. Conclusion. As our journey through the marvels of artificial intelligence comes to a close, a tantalizing truth emerges. AI isn't just a concept, it's a canvas for the future, waiting for us to paint it with ingenuity. From AI's creative genius to its ethical intricacies, we've glimpsed a landscape of boundless potential and profound responsibility. The path ahead isn't set, it's a collaborative venture where humanity and technology dance in harmony. So, as we bid adieu to this exploration, let's carry the torch of AI's promise. It's not about the rise of machines, it's about the rise of our collective potential. The stage is set, the spotlight shines, let's step onto the stage of tomorrow, armed with wisdom and fueled by innovation. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating expedition. The future beckons, and we're ready to script it, one innovation at a time. Slide 13. Thanks. Glowing star. Hey there, fellow explorers of the future. The link for the PowerPoint format of this presentation is in the description. Glowing star. Wasn't this journey through the realms of artificial intelligence utterly mind-bending? Rocket, we've unraveled the mysteries, peeked into the possibilities, and pondered the responsibilities that AI brings. But guess what? This voyage isn't over. We're on a mission to keep the fires of curiosity burning. If you're as thrilled about the AI evolution as we are, hit that subscribe button and be the first to catch our next adventure into the world of tech wonders. Globe. But wait, there's more. If you found this journey as mesmerizing as we did, spread the awe and inspiration by hitting that like button and sharing this with your friends, family, and fellow enthusiasts. Let's ignite the passion for knowledge together. Fire. Join us as we step into the future, one innovation at a time. Light bulb, subscribe, like, and share, it's your ticket to shaping tomorrow's possibilities. Stay curious, stay amazed. 1.